Hi friends, welcome to my channel, and today I am going to show how to get joystick in Pokemon Go. So first of all, if you have not subscribed my channel, so please subscribe my channel. So first thing you have to go to Play Store and search fake GPS joystick, and yeah, it will appear like this. She'll appear and download it. I have already downloaded it. After downloading it, go to settings, then go to about device, then software information, go to build number, click several times, and after go to and that after clicking several times, here will appear developer options. Click on it, then slide down more location app, click on it, and click on fake GPS go. So afterwards you have to open the fake GPS go app. Allow. So then locate your place. I'm locating shooting. Then press start. After start, you will see something joystick type that north, east, west, south. This is for speed, and this is for placing it. Then after getting joystick, click on Pokemon Go. Open the Pokemon Go app. So friends, now you are ready to play Pokemon Go with joystick. So here you can see when I press it, I will set the speed something more. See, it's moving. Yeah, it's really moving. So friends, please like, so friends, here see we are playing Pokemon Go using joystick. Yeah, see, I am placing it and it's moving. So friends, if you like my video, so please like it and subscribe and share my video as much as you can. So thank you for seeing my video. If you like and subscribe and everything, and enjoy using joystick. Thank you.